Hello there. Once again, this is Siriaco D. Maributay. Today I will show you how to drive an automatic car. Okay? We will be going this way. This is the car. Alright. Now we're inside the car. The reason I'm showing you this is because when I first got here, many people are saying that everything is in YouTube. So I used to drive a stick shift car, which we call a manual car in the Philippines, which has a clutch, and you have to change gears. But when I got here and I planned to get a driver's license here in the United States, I went to YouTube because many people are saying that everything's in YouTube, so that I will have an idea on how to drive an automatic car. But I did not find anything that was in 2010 that would give me an idea on how to drive an automatic car. So today I will be showing you how to drive an automatic car. Okay. First things first, let me show you. An automatic car, unlike a shift car, has this thing right here. The shift is like this. Okay, this is an old car, so you will be seeing, okay, it has a park here, and then reverse, neutral, D4, D3, and 2. D4 is normally in new cars, it just say letter D for drive. Okay, in the Civic, like this one, a 1996 Civic LX, it says D4. This is what you will usually use because it will automatically shift to 4 gears. D3, like when you are driving in a very traffic area and you are always stopping, you use D3. You put the stick shift to D3 so that it will only use 3 gears, and 2, it's like it will only go to the second gear, like when you are driving downhill. Okay, you don't want the car to shift to the 3rd gear or to the 4th gear because you will be using your brakes more often, which is very discouraged in driving when driving in a very downhill driving. Okay, and here in the automatic car you only have 2 pedals here, the brake, and the other one is the gas pedal. You don't have a clutch pedal here. Okay, so first things first, you have to make sure that the car is in park before you turn the ignition on. Oh, hold on.
By taking it back to base.
Okay, now it's starting. Okay, now make sure you put on your seatbelt. Okay, most automatic cars will not go to, you cannot move the shift stick, this one here, without stepping on the brakes. So you step on the brakes first, and then there is a button you can push. In different models of cars, there are the button is located in different areas, so look for that button, and then you put it in drive. Okay, you can also see that in the dashboard. Okay, it says there D4. Right, in other cars it's only drive. Okay, now you release the brake and then step on the pedal, and then there you go. You are moving and you are driving. That's how you drive make how to drive an automatic car, and it will automatically shift. Okay, you don't have to shift every time because it will automatically shift. Okay, so once again, this is your friend si Riaco Di Maributay. I hope you learn. If your first time to learn to drive an automatic car, I hope that you learned how to drive it. Thank you.